computer me and my dad have been working on. One of my favorite parts is this TV screen. Like, it's from like the 1980s, and I really like because these can change different numbers, and this is one of my favorite parts because it literally turns on the computer with a key. And so we were planning to do sections. See, this is the water valve section. You can see that. So, let me put it over here. And so far, I think it's going to be the electric section. And I also like these cool switches my dad got. There's another one right here. Can I go get that? I'll go get the rest of them. A lot. So this is one of the switches. It's really cool. Like on, off, momentary on. And these are just switches. And this switch kind of breaks when you try to switch it.
Hold it up so we can see it.
So this switch kind of breaks when you switch it.
That's because it's got too much over travel.
And this one looks pretty cool.
So it's a toggle switch, but it's a reed switch.
And now this is the last one that I wanted to show you because we do not know what this is.
We can't figure out if that's a switch or a piece or anything, yeah.
All we know that the only moving parts that we could find was these.
Yep.
And they're also really hard to switch.
Okay. So that about wraps it up.